Did you know that you can become a millionaire without ever touching a high-risk investment? Imagine earning money while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Today, I'm going to show you how dividends can turn this dream into a reality. A few years ago, I met Mike, a regular guy with a regular job. But Mike had a secret weapon for building wealth: dividends. He wasn't chasing risky investments or playing the stock market roulette. Instead, he focused on steady, reliable income from dividends. Today, Mike is a millionaire, all thanks to his strategic investments in dividend-paying stocks. This could be your story too. So, why are dividends so important? Mastering the art of investing in dividends can lead to financial stability, passive income, and significant long-term wealth. Unlike the unpredictable nature of high-risk investments, dividends provide a consistent and reliable income stream. Ignoring this strategy means missing out on one of the safest and most effective ways to grow your wealth. By understanding and leveraging dividends, you can achieve financial freedom and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a steady income, even in turbulent markets. If you want more tips on building wealth, hit the subscribe button. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Understanding dividends. First, let's understand what dividends are and how they work. Dividends are payments made by a corporation to its shareholders, usually as a distribution of profits. There are different types of dividends, such as cash dividends, which are paid out in cash, and stock dividends, which are paid out in additional shares. The key metrics to look at are the dividend yield, which tells you the percentage of the stock price that the company pays in dividends each year, and the payout ratio, which shows what portion of earnings is being paid out as dividends. Imagine owning shares of Company X. Every quarter, they pay you a portion of their profits just for being a shareholder. This is the power of dividends. Choosing the right dividend stocks. Next, how do you choose the right dividend stocks? It starts with research. Look for companies with a strong track record of paying and increasing dividends. Key metrics to consider include the dividend yield, payout ratio, and the company's financial health. It's also crucial to diversify your investments across different sectors to spread risk. For example, companies like Johnson & Johnson or Procter & Gamble have a long history of not just paying dividends, but increasing them year after year. These are the kind of stocks you should look for. Reinvesting dividends. One of the best ways to accelerate your wealth growth is by reinvesting your dividends. This means using your dividend payments to buy more shares of the stock. The benefits are immense because of the power of compounding. With each dividend payment, you're buying more shares, which in turn earn more dividends. This creates a snowball effect that can significantly boost your wealth over time. Tools like dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs, make this process seamless. By reinvesting dividends, you're essentially letting your investments grow exponentially without any additional effort. Building a dividend portfolio. Now let's talk about building a dividend portfolio. Start by identifying a mix of high-yield and dividend growth stocks. High-yield stocks provide immediate income, while dividend growth stocks offer potential for income increases over time. Begin with a few reliable stocks and gradually expand your portfolio. Regularly review and adjust your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. For example, start with established companies in stable industries, and as you become more comfortable, diversify into different sectors. Over time, you'll see your dividends grow, creating a steady stream of income. Staying consistent and patient. Finally, the key to success with dividends is consistency and patience. This is a long-term strategy, and it requires a mindset of viewing dividends as a marathon, not a sprint. Avoid common pitfalls like chasing high yields without considering the associated risks. Instead, focus on quality and sustainability. Remember, becoming a millionaire with dividends won't happen overnight, but with patience, consistency, and the right approach, it's a realistic goal. Keep reinvesting your dividends, stay informed about your investments, and avoid making impulsive decisions. Over time, you'll build substantial wealth. Let's recap what we've covered today. First, we learned what dividends are and how they can provide a steady, reliable income stream. We then explored how to choose the right dividend stocks by focusing on key metrics like dividend yield, payout ratio, and the financial health of companies. Next, we discussed the power of reinvesting dividends to take advantage of compounding, which can significantly accelerate your wealth growth. We also talked about building a diversified dividend portfolio and the importance of regularly reviewing and adjusting it. Finally, we emphasized the need for consistency and patience, reminding you that this is a long-term strategy. By understanding and applying these principles, you can build a robust income stream that grows over time, helping you achieve financial freedom and peace of mind. Remember, the journey to becoming a millionaire with dividends is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, be patient, and keep reinvesting. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your subscription is like a donation that allows us to continue creating valuable and informative videos. Hit the subscribe button, and together, let's build a community of financially empowered individuals. Thank you for watching.